My name is Joe Bartolomeo. I am working for Rockwell Automation. I've been an employee with Rockwell for 33 years, and I've seen many changes in the company that I hope to explain to you today. But technology is one thing. It's the people that bring technology to solutions is another. And our company is about people. And in fact, we're proud that we've led in many aspects. While we cover many industries, we focus predominantly on food and bev, life sciences, automotive and tire, oil and gas and chemical, and metals industries. At a high level, our solutions, we have a platform for automation, traditional PLC, I/O, sensors, and software. And then finally, the people that put together solutions and services for the life cycle of projects. Not just one project and gone, to help a customer over years to support their investment. The four major factors are global competitiveness, a shortage of skills in the workforce, the risks that exist with safety and security of IP, and finally, implementing technology to make it work for customers. Some of the business risks and drivers our customers see, and this is an example just of the US, that over $65 billion of systems are about to become obsolete. There's a tremendous amount of dollars lost to downtime that get reflected in consumer price that we can help drive down. It has been identified there is more data, more sensors in manufacturing than any other industry in the world. The issue isn't data. What the connected enterprise brings is how do you take data, turn it into information that you can make business decisions. So hopefully it's obvious the opportunity for improvement, for productivity is enormous. In fact, it's been estimated that it can impact positively close to $5 trillion to this industry. So what's the answer? Many people believe smart manufacturing is the future. In fact, it's not just the future, it is here. Rockwell Automation's strategy to support our customers we call the connected enterprise. We believe to enable connected enterprise requires the convergence of IT and OT. Rockwell's differentiation is what we call the integrated architecture. It is a high-performance architecture to bring IT and OT together. Includes multidiscipline control, process, discrete, safety, motion in one platform. But also machines. We have an initiative called Smart Machine to enable a machine to be information IoT enabled when it comes to a customer's plant. Through partnerships like Cisco, we have reference architectures proven to work, not theoretical. Our job is to take all the information from the plant floor and turn it into manufacturing intelligence to make good, fast decisions. And again, many technologies, but it takes people and more importantly, partnerships. Examples of our strategic alliances and partners include AT&T and Microsoft Azure, Cisco for networking, and many partners at the OT level, or what we call operations technology. But one of the most exciting partnerships that we've created has been one with PTC. PTC has enabled the connected enterprise to come to life with its software analytics capability beyond our expectations. The PTC relationship is probably the most significant partnership that Rockwell has invested in decades. Rockwell Automation invested $1 billion in PTC, and our CEO sits on the board of directors for PTC. And we've started to jointly develop product and more solutions for our customers. So in close, technology is great, people are needed, but partnerships to bring it together are what we feel are the most important ingredients to success and to bring the connected enterprise to life. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.